is a certain kind of chemistry that you and Paolo have?
Wow, that's
You went to workshops?
Yes, we did a sensuality workshop.
Ay, parang masaya yan.
Yung intimacy, how do you do that? Have you been through?
No, let's do one, boy.
Just go, do we need it? I mean, we're together every night. But how do you do it?
Hindi kasi nagkakailangan kami nung una, yung first taping day. Kasi wala kami pinagkagalingan, hindi
mo siya kilala.
Hindi ka siya kilala, hindi kami wala kaming mga encounters, walang ganun. Hindi kami magkasama sa mga parties, ganyan.
Pero parang mas okay ata yun.
Para may creative
hindi,
tension?
Hindi, nagkakahiyaan kami. So, kahit na madaldal ako, tahimik yung tao. So, parang hindi ko alam kung paano rin mag-approach.
But what Chris is trying to say is, napaka-pure kasi nung character, and then gray yung character ni Paolo. Parang ang sarap pagtagpuin, hindi ba?
Yes.
So what did you do dun sa sensuality na yan?
What is it?
Mostly, wala, mga...
Paano nyo hubaran ng isa't isa? Ganon?
Hindi.
Do you stare at
It's
each
not
other?
like that.
How do you do it?
Using your senses. Sense of smell, sense of sight,
aamoy-amoyin yung
sense
isa't
of
isa?
touch, ganyan.
Okay. So you do that,
Tulad si Boy.
you do that the whole day? No, I can imagine, di ba?
Yun lang, yun
Pero
lang.
ngayon pa lamang namumuo na ang galit ko dito sa character ni Paolo kasi sila pala ni Maricar. Parang,
Di ba?
parang kakagalit, ha?
Pero ang ganda ng twist ng character ni Paolo.
Ito, no?
Tsaka talagang nagampanan niya ng maayos.
And it's very intense, it's very quiet. Pero
Very
there's a certain
quiet.
danger about him.